Hi, this is Kenji Kumara, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. So today we're going to do the ego bowl. So this is a very simple technique to do. And you can do this before you go to a gathering or a party, or before you go out into the world, before you give or receive a healing session or a coaching session, before you eat a meal. Really, you can do this at any time. But we used to do this for the attendees of our retreat training retreats that we used to offer, where we have a physical water bowl and another bowl filled with beautiful marbles, and the marbles represented the ego. And each attendee would take a marble and do a prayer, a blessing, and then put it in the water bowl, symbolic of leaving your ego at the door. So let's try this. So just close your eyes for a moment and imagine what you might be doing in the near future. Let's just say you're going to go to a gathering and you want to leave your ego at the door. So what you can do, visually speaking, is imagine that you have two bowls in front of you, and one bowl is full of marbles, and you're going to take one of the marbles from that bowl and you're going to drop it in very prayerfully into the bowl that has water in it. And the water is going to be symbolic of cleansing of the ego. So you can imagine doing that before you go to your next gathering or party or get together, so that you can be more free to express your true essence, your true nature, and to have a really wonderful experience. It's a technique that helps with enhancing communication in relationships and in receiving as well. Receiving the blessings and the gifts from other people, as well as the universe. So try that sometime, or try that often. So it's the good old ego bowl technique. So we hope you enjoyed this. So until next time, have a very blessed day and have a wonderful life.